Cloudy, 68. Dew point 65. Relative humidity 89%. Has issued a severe East Central Love County in southern Oklahoma, southern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marietta. 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marietta, Willis, Western Lake Texoma, and McBride. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 7 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Lawrence County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Elmwood, or 13 miles southeast of Bowie, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Decatur, Briar, Alvord, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, and Rome. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas.